Wednesday, August 9th. We got in a couple new yarns today, but I'm only going to tell you about one of them. I'm pretty excited about this. It is so delicious to touch and beautiful to look at. So I'm very excited about it. It is Saxony from Juniper Moon. Saxony. It is a tweed. It is worsted weight. So it's 16 to 20 inches. There are 120 yards on each ball. But get this, 75% cashmere, 25% merino wool. What? It is so squishy, so soft, so delicious. Saxony. It is, wait a minute. It is $35 a ball. We haven't even gotten it priced yet. We have it priced, we just haven't put it out yet, so I had to go look at the ticket to make sure I knew what the price was. $35 a ball. But you could definitely knit a gorgeous sweater out of it, but it would take every single ball in the bag. So 35 times 10, that could be a lot. However, we have this Lyra cowl out of 2 colors. How cute is that? Love, love, love it. This pattern is amazing. It's a $6 pattern. However, we would love to do it up as a kit for you, and you could pick any of these 2 colors and make it work. So let me show you what I have. The pattern is for the charcoal and the gray. So that is these 2, right? Gorgeous tweed. When I tell you this is so soft, it is so soft. So granted, $70 for a cowl, but so soft. All right, then we have Midnight and this gorgeous blue. Now, mind you, you could mix any 2 colors that you so choose. These 2 go together beautifully. Then you could do the terracotta and the burgundy. Very western looking, very mountainish. Love it. Very deserty. I don't know. It's gorgeous. And last but not least, this beautiful green and this lovely tan khaki. All right, those are my color combos for you. We only have 10 balls of each. So you decide how you want to spend your money and how you want to make a gorgeous cashmere and merino something. There are lots and lots of patterns for this yarn, so you can also make shawls and other things, but I'm just sort of excited about that one. So anyway, it's Wednesday, social knitting, got a little bit of a crowd out there. Not quite as hot today, amazing. Anyway, I am a little footloose and fancy free this week. My husband is playing in a golf tournament, so he's excited about that, and it'll all be good. And I've got a very busy week and a busy weekend because we have the Art of Color retreat on Sunday. I know I keep talking about it, but I have a few seats left. So if you are interested, treat yourself. If you feel like you deserve it, $250, but I give you a $25 gift card back. And you'll have mimosas and treats and lunch, and you'll have a meditative yoga and meditation situation for 30 minutes, and then you'll have a shoulder massage. You'll get a goodie bag, and this time the goodies are really nice. I'm very excited about the goodie bag. We have these 2 amazing artists and teachers who are coming to talk to us about the art of color. I personally am so excited about it. I think I've told you at least 100 times, but I just thought I'd mention it one more, and I probably will mention it a few more because it's not Sunday yet. So anyway, it will be so fun. You will have a great time. You will meet and be with other people like-minded who love what they're doing. And you can chat and knit and hang out and have that $25 handed back to you. What? Perfect. All right. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. Cashmere cowl. Ooh, so soft. Gonna love it. Saxony. Saxony by Juniper Moon. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.